Introduction to the Nelly De Vuyst skincare line. The formulas. Nelly De Vuyst is committed to using only the highest quality ingredients safe for the skin and the environment. Nelly De Vuyst products are eco-friendly, biodegradable, hypoallergenic, fair trade, and cruelty-free. They are formulated without parabens, without GMO, without sulfates, without PEG or polyethylene glycol, without silicone, without methylisothiazolinone or MIT, without phthalate, without formaldehyde, without endocrine disruptors, without nanoparticles, without synthetic dyes, without mineral oils, and without propylene glycol. The packaging and containers of the products are recyclable and manufactured in HDPE and polypropylene, two materials approved by the Cosmos Standards for Organic Skincare. For more information on the Cosmos Standards, please see the video, the Ecocert Cosmos Organic label. Nelly De Vuyst ingredients are sourced only from organic plant species, marine sources, natural products from organic fermentation, and patented ingredients. Among the Nelly De Vuyst ingredients, you will find a wide selection of organic essential oils and plant extracts, as well as peptides, hyaluronic acid, prebiotics, vitamins such as vitamin C, salmon DNA, marine collagen, and more. Obtaining the highest quality of raw material requires very specific conditions. For each plant species, the geographic origin, the part of the plant used, the quality of the soil, the altitude, the sunlight exposure, and the ecosystem are characteristics that must be considered. This is why Nelly De Vuyst searches the world for the highest quality sources of each raw material. Each plant species is organically grown with the utmost respect for the environment without the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, or herbicides. Each part of the plant species is then carefully studied, from the root to the fruit, as well as the stems, leaves, bark, and the buds. It should be noted that the bud, for example, will not contain the same active ingredients as the stem. Therefore, only the parts of the plant containing the most beneficial active ingredients for the skin are used in Nelly De Vuyst products. Another important point to consider is the method used for extracting active ingredients. Once the plant species has been selected, the active ingredients must be extracted. Conventional extraction methods use high temperatures that alter the active ingredient and also use polluting chemical solvents, which are often found in the finished product. Nelly De Vuyst, on the other hand, uses only responsible extraction methods derived from green chemistry, such as cold pressing or supercritical CO2 extraction. These extraction methods are performed at low temperatures without the use of any polluting chemicals and thus extract the highest quality of active ingredients contained in each plant. The synergy of ingredients is then meticulously formulated in order to be delivered precisely where the skin needs it. This process is possible through a unique technology called the Diadermic Method. The Diadermic Method is a manufacturing process that maximizes the synergy and absorption of active ingredients into the skin. It offers ultralight textures perfectly biocompatible with the skin tissue. The vast majority of skincare products found on the market do not penetrate further than the superficial layers of the epidermis. Using the Diadermic Method, Nelly De Vuyst products are able to reach the deep layers of the epidermis as well as the dermis. The Nelly De Vuyst research and development team is continuously searching for new generations of active ingredients and technologies to maintain their high-quality result-driven standards. The Nelly De Vuyst research and development team includes researchers from the world's leading universities, such as Harvard University in the United States, the University of Strasbourg, and the University of Lyon in France, as well as McGill University, Chicoutimi, and Laval University in Canada. It also includes a committee of doctors, dermatologists, naturopaths, estheticians, pharmacists, and biochemists, all specialized in skincare.